The sound of the train. Here's a short story for you. I used to live in a house near the train tracks. The trains passing by made a lot of noise, and it could be really annoying. One night, I was exhausted after a day of hanging out, so I went to bed early, around 10 p.m. Half asleep, I heard the familiar sound of a train passing by. Clackety-clack, clackety-clack. I didn't think much of it. After living next to the tracks for over 10 years, the noise had just become part of the background. But this time, something was off. Clackety-clack, clack-clang, clack-clang, clackety-clack. I'd heard this noise 1,000 times before, but this time, something felt different. Fully awake now, I realized the sound of the train was lasting much longer than usual. It should have faded away by now, but it kept going, echoing through the night. A creeping sense of dread washed over me. Then, the sound started to shift, morphing into something else. Something terrifying. Gra! You! Gwa! Wah! It sounded like a man screaming, howling in agony right outside my window. The voice was so close, as if it was coming from just beyond the glass. I was so scared that I bolted out of my room, desperate to escape the sound. For weeks after that, every time a train passed by, I was filled with fear. I started sleeping with earplugs, but no matter what, I couldn't shake the memory of that horrible screaming. Even now, that man's voice still haunts me.